Hello, welcome to Alpine Mold. We are a mold making and plastic injection molding manufacturer. This is part 2 talking about common plastic injection molding defects. In part 1, we talk about weld line, and in this video, we are going to talk about parting line and sink marks. So what is parting line? A parting line is where two halves of a mold meet when closed. Plastic is then injected at high pressure into a mold, and it frees up picking up any surface features or defects in the mold. In the case of parting line, it will pick up that feature as an ever so slightly raised line on the surface of the part. It is almost impossible to avoid or eradicate the parting line, but the effect can be reduced somewhat by doing the following things. You can camouflage the parting line by incorporating it with other parallel or linear design features. And second, you can locate parting line and a protruding feature like a rim or cap. And third, sometimes the parting line can be disguised with some rough surface textures and matte finishes. And finally, lines can be sanded smooth and painted afterwards. Okay, now let's talk about sink marks. A sink mark is usually some kind of depression on the surface of the part due to the shrinkage of the material underneath. Sink marks commonly occur on a surface where it has ribs, bosses, and other voluminous features in the rear side of the molding. All plastics shrink as they freeze up, some more than others. One of the things you can do during the design phase is to identify where these sink marks are going to be and choose a material that doesn't shrink as much. Or you can even put something to the material like glass fiber, or you can put talcum powder in, and it will mitigate the shrinkage quite a bit. There are a number of things that we can do to somewhat mitigate this effect. First, keep consistent wall thickness of the part wherever possible, especially with adjacent walls or features that are on the other side of the part. Second, tooling engineers can build cooling channels in critical areas. Third, process engineers can balance injection molding pressure, temperature, and cooling times to reduce sink marks. And finally, sink marks can be somewhat disguised with dark colors, matte finish, and rough surface textures. Okay, that's all today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you next time.